Hi guys, I'm at Box Hill today, so we've got a fair bit to show you. So we're going to have a look at all sorts of things, so let's get into it. So here we have, this is all the new all the ships. We've got plenty of new stock as well. Lots of restock. There's been all sorts of ones in from Ravel, the Swift boats, bit of Trumpeter. I have got another ship I'm going to show you. Many years ago, Hobby Boss released the Arizona. That's a made up version of it. Very nice kit in its day. A little bit simple. But now with the 80th anniversary, which is actually last year, but Eduard have done a upgrade set, and doing the usual thing with Eduard, they've added etched metal, brass, all sorts of things. So that's your box. So it comes in a nice strong box these days. On the side of it, you can see there's brass, there's all sorts of bits and pieces. Lots and lots of detail have been added to it, including metal barrels, resin parts, three-dimensional or 3D parts, a lot of printed 3D parts. It's been really well done. It's been really well updated. Lots of restocks from Tamiya, Ravel, all sorts of bits and pieces. We've got Eduard Tornadoes and Trumpeter, P40Ns if you want to do an Aussie one, comes with Aussie markings in it. Copper State, we should have their new armoured car and Bristol Scout, which is going to be very good. Special Hobby, there's a couple of new Special Hobby coming. This is the new Eduard. So a couple of them are restocks or redos. That's the 109 G14, the F6DK. That's quite nice, lots of choices of markings in it. This is a coffee pack. This is a single edition of the 5B Late. So it's got the clipped wingtips and things like that. Now, weekend version, these have always been very popular. This is the F6F Hellcat. This is in the weekend edition, so you just get a couple of choices, or 4 choices of markings in this one. We've got a Spitfire 9 as well, so that's in the weekend series, 48 scale. 4 choices of markings again, American one. 109 E1, this is in the Profi pack. Continuing their 0 series, this is the 2-in-1 box again. But they're giving you early markings and late war markings, choices of markings, you've got plenty there. 2 full kits. It is a limited edition 48 scale kit. Also from Eduard, this is a continuation of their Mustang Series. This is the P51s in 48 scale. As I said, we've had a lot of restock of Eduard. We've still got plenty of the other Zeros, the early ones, and Spitfires and all sorts of things. Restocks from Hobby Boss. We've been able to get a lot more of this back in. That's the RAF F18C, comes with those markings. And we've also got back in the F111C Australian marked aircraft, so that's pretty cool. If you really want to do something really big, this is 18 scale. That's a kit of the 18 scale SBD3 Dauntless. Want to do a big Huey? Yeah, there's a big Huey for you, that's 18 scale. It's a B model. On the other side, you've got lots of 72nd scale restocks and back in stock. Airfix, Beaufort's back in stock from Airfix. There's a few new things coming from AZ in the very near future. Lots of new things coming from KP. Special Hobby 72nd scale from Eduard in their 72nd scale. This is 2 weekend ones they're doing in 72nd scale MiG-15s. There's a MiG-15 and a MiG-15 BIS. They've just come in. ICM, AMP, some more from Hobby Boss. This is the F105s, the G and the D. They were really popular, and they haven't been available for some time. Of course, the Airfix Vampire, very nice. So now we're going to have a look at some armour, bit of restock, bit of tack on, things like that. So as usual, lots and lots of Tamiya restocks, and there's a couple of newbies come in recently. Still got plenty of if you're looking for the 16 scale Das Werk Stoog. This is all from Takom. Again, these are all restocks, so that's been very popular. That hasn't been around for some time. We've also had, that's the M114, so there's all that sort of stuff. A lot of stuff from Academy, restocks, ICM, Das Werk. They've got some new stuff coming too, but shortly. Gecko, we're expecting the Katie from Gecko very shortly. On the other side, you've got lots of figures. There's still plenty of mini art. Bronco, mini art again, mini art armor from Masterbox. Masterbox will hopefully be here in the next couple of weeks, fingers crossed. Ace models, we should have restocks of the Ace models, UM. Going to be a whole bunch of new hat stuff coming out shortly as well. There's 24 scale Jeep, Willys Jeep. MY08s, of course, with Aussie markings. Centurions, Trumpeter. So we've had a bit of also Hobby Boss and that. On the other side here, lots of cars. Tamiya, Aoshima, Fujimi now. We're getting a lot more Fujimi cars in lately, so have a look out for that. Bunch of motorbikes as well, lots up the top here. So you've got plenty to choose from. The shop is basically full. Plenty of stock in store, plenty of stock in the CBD, plenty of stock online. Go for it, have fun with it.